Hello guys, and yeah, welcome back to a new video. So I decided to vlog after all because first I was thinking I was making an edit and yeah, I just missed talking to the camera, so just wanted to make a vlog. So I just gotten dressed. We are here at the Arena MX. It's where Zach Osborne was shot in Moto 3, I think. Not sure about that, but Moto 3 or Moto 4, he was here and it was a really cool edit. So we're here with the Kenneth Gundersen MX team, going to ride here for the weekend. It's a really heavy sand track with pretty neutral terrain. It almost never get prepped and it's awesome actually. First ride with the 250 in the sand. I'm pretty excited and yeah, let's get ready. I am actually ready, but let's go driving. Good morning guys, so just now going to get ready for second day of riding. It was a tough day yesterday, so I feel it in my body. It's kind of sore and stiff, but yeah, we're making a good training here. It's tough here in the sand, but yeah, good training as I said, so let's get changed now and then go out for some more riding and training. So just now getting changed, or finished changing actually, riding with the MX on gear. Only gear that fits the FXR pants, so doing this while making some photos for social media for you guys, so keeping you guys updated a bit. yeah, so that's it for this weekend, guys. It was a good weekend of training in the deep sand. Really tired now because we finished off the weekend with 1 hour moto in the sand. So feeling pretty tired now, but it was really good weekend with training and with the KGMX team. So all weekend I progressed on the 250, so happy with that, and looking forward to just rest for some days now, and then we go up here again and train some more. So thanks for watching, guys, and hope to see you in the next video. So thanks for watching, guys.